Staying hydrated on the trail is non-negotiable, but in 2026, not all water bottles are created equal. Today's best hiking bottles do a lot more than hold water. They keep it at the perfect temperature, resist dents and scratches, and make drinking on the move effortless. Whether you're tackling a day hike, a multi-day trek, or an ultralight speed hike, the right bottle can make your adventure smoother. We've tested the latest models for durability, design, and performance. Links to the best prices are in the description and pinned in the top comment. These picks aren't ranked in any particular order, so watch until the end to find the perfect fit for your space.
This video is presented you by Trusty Picks.
Number 6. Thermo Flask Double Insulated 40 ounces. The Thermo Flask Double Insulated 40 ounces is built for serious hydration. Copper-lined double-wall stainless steel keeps drinks cold for up to 36 hours or hot for over 20, making it one of the best insulated bottles in 2026. The powder-coated, sweat-proof exterior ensures a secure grip in wet or slippery conditions, and the wide mouth accommodates ice cubes, fruit, or easy cleaning. The heavy-duty screw cap prevents leaks, while anti-dent technology protects against drops. Perfect for group hikes or long treks, the Thermo Flask balances massive volume with ergonomic design. Its eco-conscious construction and robust durability make it ideal for hikers who want extreme performance and sustainability in one bottle. Number 5. Lark Bottle Pure Viz 17 ounces. The Lark Pure Viz 17 ounces takes hydration into the future. Stainless steel insulation keeps drinks at the right temperature, while the UVC LED cap neutralizes bacteria every 2 hours. Perfect for hikers unsure about water quality on the trail. One charge lasts about a month, and the 2026 model even adds wireless charging for convenience. Its minimalist design is stylish enough for city use but rugged enough for backcountry treks. Solo adventurers, multi-day hikers, or anyone who values cleanliness and technology in one package will appreciate this bottle. It eliminates the need for separate filters while maintaining durability and portability, making it a true all-in-one solution for safe, stress-free hydration. Number 4. Hydropack Stash 750 milliliters. Hydropack Stash 750 milliliters is all about space-saving lightweight efficiency. Its collapsible TPU construction folds flat when empty, saving backpack real estate without sacrificing durability. The bottle handles liquids up to 60 degrees Celsius, and the leak-proof cap keeps water secure, even on rough trails. The wide mouth allows easy filling from streams or filters, and the reinforced spout delivers a smooth flow without splashing. Minimalist hikers, long-distance trekkers, and runners love it for how compact and portable it is. The 2026 updates include antimicrobial liners and tougher TPU layers resistant to punctures, UV, and abrasion. It's hygienic, space-smart, and trail-ready. A perfect companion when you want a bottle that disappears into your pack until you need it. Number 3. Nalgene Wide Mouth 32 ounces. Nalgene's Wide Mouth 32 ounces is the ultimate workhorse for hikers who want versatility and toughness. BPA-free Triton copolyester handles freezing streams or boiling water without cracking, while the wide mouth opening makes filling, cleaning, and adding ice or infusers effortless. The translucent body shows your hydration levels at a glance, and the 2026 model has improved scratch and impact resistance, perfect for climbers or long-distance hikers navigating rocky terrain. Its lightweight, indestructible design works seamlessly with water filters for multi-day expeditions. The grippy texture and loop-top cap ensure the bottle stays secure in your hand or clipped to your pack. For hikers who want a no-fuss, ultra-reliable bottle that can take decades of abuse, the Nalgene Wide Mouth is hard to beat. Number 2. Camelback Shoot Mag 1 liter. The Camelback Shoot Mag 1 liter brings a modern twist to on-the-go hydration. Its magnetic top snaps back into place when you're drinking, so there's no fumbling with the lid mid-hike. Made from BPA-free Eastman Triton trademark plastic, it's lightweight, yet extremely durable. Perfect for fast-moving trail runners or ultralight backpackers. The triangular shape improves grip and fits neatly in side pockets, while the integrated carry handle makes clipping it to your pack simple. The redesigned spout in 2026 delivers a smooth, splash-free flow even on steep terrain. It's great for cold water, and with an optional insulated sleeve, you can carry hot beverages too. Adventure hikers, solo trekkers, and anyone who values both form and function will appreciate how intuitive this bottle feels on the trail. Small tweaks in design that make a huge difference in day-to-day usability. Number 1. Hydro Flask Standard Mouth 32 ounces. The Hydro Flask Standard Mouth 32 ounces is a classic that's only gotten smarter in 2026. Its double-wall vacuum insulation keeps cold drinks icy for up to 24 hours and hot drinks steaming for up to 12. The 18/8 stainless steel body is nearly indestructible, resistant to rust, scratches, and dents, perfect for the rugged outdoors. The powder-coated exterior gives a firm, non-slip grip while maintaining a sleek, modern look. The wide mouth makes it easy to fill from streams or a hydration system, and the optional flex cap allows quick sips without unscrewing the top. This bottle is ideal for solo hikers who want durability or families tackling longer trails. The newest models even include antimicrobial coatings inside to reduce bacterial buildup over multi-day trips. With excellent thermal performance, practical lid options, and a stylish design, Hydro Flask remains a trusted companion for hikers who demand both reliability and sophistication. So, that wraps up our list of the best hiking bottles. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.